Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the application you probably will see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the devices page, and here you should see your HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro on the list of devices. Once you see it, tap on it to select it, and on this page in the top right corner you should see this icon. Tap on it to open the menu, then tap on Unpair device and tap on Unpair. The watch will disappear from the list of devices. You can close the HUAWEI Health application. You can also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone just in case, and see if the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro is right here on the list of paired devices. As you can see, it's not, so we can close the settings. If it was in your case, maybe, I believe it won't happen, but if it was, you can tap on the settings icon next to the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro and tap on Forget or Unpair to remove it. Okay, and then you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.